Hello, are you interested in to learn the CNC, VMC programming and operating courses? Welcome to Parametric Solution. We provide CNC lathe programming and operating on Fano control. If you're really interested, please contact at Parametric Solution in Thane, West. So this is what we're going to teach you on practical live CNC programming and operating. Here, this is the ring plate where we're going to do the operations on the CNC lathe. This is a check and this is a jaw and this is a workpiece and there is a turret towards the right side. That's basically we can teach you thoroughly.
कल कह के जो रुक जाओ कल फिर ये कहेगा रुक सारा जग तुझे रोके तू बस बढ़ता चल सुख दुख छोटे छोटे कदम रख रास्ता खुद बन जाएगा जो भी था तेरा सपना तेरा नाम सुन जाएगा सपनों को सच करो अब खुद पे यकीन करो जो कल पे टालते थे वो आज ही शुरू करो सपनों को सच करो आवाज में आग भर करके हर दरवाजे पे अपना नाम लिख के चल कितनी बार गिरा था तू फिर उठना ही सीखा था हारों की सी राख से तेरा कल तो चीखा था सपनों को सच करो दुनिया से ना मत डरो जो दिल ने कहा चुप के उसको ही दस्तक दो सपनों को सच करो अपनी तरफ तू खड़ा पीठ पे जो तेरा कल है आगे तेरा रास्ता
So I hope you seen the particular practical of CNC lathe machine. If you're really interested in learning this practical as well as theoretical coordinate system, G and M code, and face turning, body turning, ID turning, then grooving operation, threading operation, drilling operation. There are like a main programming, sub program, and then CAD cycle program. All these things we covered in the 3 month training program where you will learn theoretical as well as industrial practical exposure on how to run CNC lathe machines. And also we assist for the job placement after this. If you're really interested in to start the career in this field, definitely visit at Parametric Solution, Thane West. Thank you so much for watching this video.